Hello students, I am Urvashi Nasi and today I am explaining you first lesson from class 9 NCERT English book Behind the Fun They Had. I hope you all are good, healthy and safe. First I'll tell you a little about author Isaac Asimov. He was an American writer and professor who was known for his works of science fiction and popular science. Now in your book, The Fun They Had, we have two characters, Margie and Tommy. They both are brother and sisters. The Fun They Had is about the year 2157 when every child has his own machine teacher and schools like today do not exist anymore. The story is a science fiction and it tells us about the education systems of the olden days and virtual form of education with the use of mechanical teacher. Now 13-year-old Tommy finds an old book. He and Margie, who is only 11 years old, find it very strange that the words do not move after having been read. Now actually the children, they are using mechanical teachers. They have computers as their teacher and they sit with a computer in the corner of the house. They are not allowed or they don't have to go outside for education, for schooling. They don't have to go to a school, they don't have friends, they don't have classmates, they don't have different teachers for different subjects. Only and only mechanical teacher, that is computer, is teaching them all the subjects. And as computer is teaching them, it calculates everything within no time. So the children, when they found a very old book that was centuries back used in the schools that we have today, in today's world, the children were very much amazed. They were excited to see that book, and more or less they were more excited to see that when they read the book and even they turned the pages, the book had the words there itself. There was nothing which was going away or which was going off from the pages. They do not move after being read, and the words were there itself. They were not moving after being read. They only read stories on computer screen. Margie is very surprised that in the past pupils had a person as a teacher instead of mechanical teacher. And when Margie comes to know that earlier people used to teach children, there were different subject teachers for subjects, different subjects, she is really surprised. It was strange that all the children of the same age learned the same thing and went to a school. Now she is making a comparison. Margie is making a comparison because it's very monotonous for her to sit in front of a computer screen and get all the lessons from only and only a computer screen, a single mechanical teacher. So when she comes to know that in old days, earlier, the students were given education by different people and there were many children sitting in the same class. Children used to come to school, they used to enjoy, they used to hang around each other, they used to learn, they used to make pranks. So she is comparing everything and she finds that the previous ways or you can say the old ways were much far better. They were far better than the mechanical teacher. And Margie wants to read more and more from the old book, but first she needs to attend her class with mechanical teacher, which is too advanced for her. Now she wants to read from the old book. She wants to know more things. She's very excited to find out new things from the old book she found. But the mother, Margie's mother, is very strict and she wants her to go and sit in front of a mechanical teacher and take a lesson. She faces problem with the mechanical teacher in geography section because the geography section is geared up to advance. So Margie hopes that she would also enjoy the old system of education. Margie, however, chooses to appreciate only fun, combined and human relationships in the old system. So Margie wants that she could also be given a chance to go to the old school and she finds that it was a really great time for the children. They were very happy learning things in such a way. And in your book, when you will read from your book, children, you will also have your word meanings in your book. You can go through the word meanings. You can underline certain lines which you are not able to understand. You can even put questions there. You can write questions there in your book. So when we will be explaining lessons in your online classes, at that time you can ask questions from the teachers. Thank you. Thank you very much.